Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be diving into my experience with Shopify, one of the biggest e-commerce platforms out there, which also helped me with my online business, ShopMyGoods. Okay, so originally I fell for fancy advertising and hopped onto the first platform that promised me the moon, but as you might have guessed, not all e-commerce platforms are the same. And when my sales started to stagnate and my customer management became a nightmare, I knew I had to make a change. And the thought of migrating my store to a new platform was holding me back. But my business mentor assured me that there were reliable e-commerce platforms out there and they could streamline my operations without breaking the bank for me. So after researching WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Magento, and Shopify, I ended up choosing Shopify, and here's why. Shopify offers a user-friendly interface, great customizability, and a robust set of features, unlike some other platforms that I've tried and that I looked into. And there were no tech headaches with Shopify. They handle everything from marketing and payments to secure checkout and shipping. Plus, they have a really impressive array of integrations and apps that helped extend the functionality of the store, which was a significant advantage over the other platforms that I was using. So about a year ago, I was on the lookout for a reliable platform to sell my products. After extensive research, I decided to give Shopify a shot. And today I'll share with you why I chose Shopify, how it's improved my business operations, and why it could be an excellent fit for you and your business. But before we go further, I want to highlight the transformation I've seen in my business. So ShopMyGoods has become a thriving store, attracting customers from across the globe. My revenues have significantly improved. However, having said that, Shopify may not be the right fit for every entrepreneur. Other platforms like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, or Magento might better suit your needs. And I want to clarify that Shopify is definitely not sponsoring this video. I pay full for all their services with my own money, and therefore this is not a paid endorsement. Nevertheless, if you want to try Shopify out, you can check out the link in the description. That'll give you a 3-day free trial. Then you'll pay only $1 for the first month after that, which is a deal that you won't get by going straight to Shopify's website. So without further ado, let's get into it. Starting out, I was a passionate entrepreneur, yet I didn't give much thought to the platform and how important it is to your business. Now, you need to know that Shopify stores are hosted on Shopify's secure servers. For those of you who are unfamiliar with how this works, it means that you don't need to worry about server maintenance or any technical issues, which is a common challenge with self-hosted platforms. This frees up a ton of time so that you can focus on what truly matters, which is growing your business. Next, I delved into Shopify's plans and pricing, which was crucial because I didn't want to break the bank while scaling my business. Shopify offers 4 main plans: Basic, Shopify, Advanced, and Plus. The costs of these plans vary depending on the scale of your business, but given the ease of use, scalability, and comprehensive range of features Shopify offers, I found the prices to be pretty reasonable compared to the rest of them. To begin my journey with Shopify, I started with the Basic plan, which is priced at around $29 per month. This plan offered all the essentials that I needed to start a new business, but once I started seeing the platform's potential and my business started growing, I decided to upgrade to the Shopify plan, which cost about $80 per month. The added features such as professional reports and lower credit card rates were definitely worth the investment for me. There's also an option for larger businesses, the Advanced plan, priced at around $300 per month. It offers the lowest transaction rates, an advanced report builder, and third-party calculated shipping rates. While I haven't upgraded to this level and don't have any plans to do so anytime soon for my smaller operation, I can definitely see the value it offers for larger businesses with significant sales volume. And lastly, there's the Plus plan, which can handle large-scale operations, letting you make sales from all around the world starting at $2,300 a month. It offers you way more features like up to 200 inventory locations for faster shipping and help with more complicated organizational needs. But this plan is available on a 1 or 3 year term, and you don't actually need it unless you're making thousands and thousands of sales each month, and by that point you're already a giant business. Now, you can choose from hundreds of themes, both paid and free, to make your online store look just the way you want, and there's a vast marketplace of apps to extend your store's functionality. Some of my favorites include Privy for email marketing and Yotpo for collecting customer reviews. So setting up my store on Shopify was actually really easy as well. The entire process took less than 30 minutes to get a functional but really simple website going. So I started by entering my store's information, choosing a theme, adding products, and setting up payment and shipping options. Shopify also offers optional add-ons like Shopify POS for selling in person, for brick and mortar businesses, and various marketing tools to help promote your business. Next up was the shipping and fulfillment process. which is often a major pain point for many e-commerce business owners. However, I was pretty surprised by Shopify's really efficient handling of this aspect. And if you didn't already know, Shopify integrates seamlessly with several shipping carriers, offering real-time shipping rates and printable labels, which takes a lot of the hassle out of the shipping process. In fact, with Shopify's integration with Shopify Fulfillment Network or third-party fulfillment centers, you can actually automate the entire fulfillment process. But to me, what mattered most was the response I got from my customers. I was concerned that the platform change might turn a bunch of the existing ones away, but after just a few weeks, I started to notice an actual increase in sales, a decrease in cart abandonments, and higher levels of customer satisfaction, which I track regularly. Beyond the technical features, another aspect that stood out to me about Shopify was the support that they offer. As a business owner, it's crucial to have a solid support system to turn to when you run into any issues. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support via phone, email, and live chat. But what impressed me even more was their extensive self-help resources, including a help center, community forum, free online training, podcasts, and business courses, all designed to empower entrepreneurs to grow their businesses. Now, when it comes to offering customer support yourself, I think the best thing that you can do is to get an AI chatbot that can reply to customer queries instantly, which will not only free up more of your time, but it'll also let you focus on scaling your business more and dealing with customers less. A chatbot option like Myva AI, for example, can help you gain important insights into interacting with your customers, which will allow you to understand things like their shopping behavior, new buying trends, and even ways to better market your products. And Myva doesn't just analyze queries, it adapts each and every response it gives with up to 92% accuracy based on your brand and personality. And as your business scales, Myva will scale alongside it. Okay, so I've actually tried Myva for myself to see how well it can reply to certain queries and if its replies were up to par compared to the ones that are given by a human. And if you're interested in learning more about Myva AI, or you've decided to give it a try, you can find a link to my review down in the description as well as a discount link. This level of support was something that I hadn't seen with many other e-commerce platforms. Whether I was stuck while setting up my store, had a question about a feature, or faced a technical glitch, Shopify's support team was always pretty quick to help. Moving on, let's talk about another significant advantage of Shopify, its mobile capabilities. Shopify offers a mobile app that lets you manage your business on the go, and I really can't tell you how much I appreciated this feature. I can check and fulfill orders, add new products, or even contact customers directly from the app on my phone. It's made running my business a lot more flexible, especially when I'm traveling or away from my office, which I like to be a lot. Now, of course, Shopify is not perfect. There are a few areas where the platform could improve, in my opinion. For instance, while Shopify provides numerous options for themes and customization, some advanced customizations do require coding knowledge or a professional developer. Now, if you're not comfortable with this or you don't want to pay a specialist to help you out, it could limit your customization options. Also, while there are many apps available to enhance your store's functionality, some of the more advanced ones come with an added cost. Another potential drawback is the additional transaction fees if you choose not to use Shopify payments. Shopify charges between 0.5% and 2% extra on transactions made using external payment gateways. If you're a business with high sales volumes, this can definitely add up. But I believe Shopify's pros do heavily outweigh their cons, especially considering the platform's ease of use, scalability, and robust feature set. You just need to evaluate your business's needs, your technical capabilities, and your budget to make an informed decision. In my case, using Shopify has resulted in substantial growth for my business. The improved functionality of my online store, the user-friendly interface, and the seamless management of my products and customers have all contributed to an increase in sales and customer satisfaction. It's not just about growth in numbers, it's also about the time and effort that I've personally saved, which I can now put into growing and improving my business in different ways. But remember, Shopify is just a tool, which means it's really up to you as the business owner and operator to make the most out of it. You need to make sure that you use all the features that you have available, from SEO tools to improve your site's visibility on search engines to in-depth analytics that help you understand your customers' behavior and preferences. One tip I can share, though, is to really dive in and learn the analytics, because the information I got helped me tweak my marketing strategy and continue to help me every single day. Understand which products were performing well and identify areas where your store could improve. This approach can really help you grow your business, which is something that I overlooked when I was just starting out. Okay, so at this point, you might be wondering about the alternatives to Shopify. Well, there are other platforms like WooCommerce, Magento, BigCommerce, and more. I recommend researching each platform and weighing the pros and cons based on your specific needs. For instance, instance, WooCommerce is a free plugin for WordPress websites and offers a lot of flexibility and control. However, it requires some technical knowledge to set up and manage. BigCommerce, on the other hand, is similar to Shopify, but differs in its pricing and some features. But in my opinion, Shopify's ease of use, comprehensive features, and scalability makes it a strong contender in the e-commerce platform race, particularly for small to medium-sized businesses. That said, each business is unique in and of itself, and what works best for me might not work best for you. So I encourage you to consider your own needs, budget, and comfort level with technology when making your decision. Another thing that sets Shopify apart, in my opinion, is its scalability. As your business grows, Shopify grows alongside with it to meet your needs. From handling increased traffic to managing larger product catalogs, Shopify has the right tools to support your growth without sacrificing performance. Or on the flip side, if your business is slowing down, you can always downgrade to a lower plan to accommodate that as well. Lastly, the value you get from Shopify depends on how you use its features and grow your online business. With the right strategy, marketing efforts, and a well-designed and organized store, Shopify can really help you grow and scale your business. So to sum it all up, based on my personal experience and the many success stories that I've witnessed, I really do recommend Shopify as the ideal e-commerce platform. It's really easy to use. It has tons of features and apps, as well as a reliable customer support network, making it a valuable tool for turning your business dreams into hopefully reality. So if you're looking to start or expand your online business, take the leap with Shopify. And if you do decide to check out Shopify, don't forget to check out the link in the description for an exclusive 3-day free trial. And then you'll only pay $1 for the first month after that, which is a deal that you won't get by going directly to their website. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope that I was able to provide you with some valuable insights into Shopify and its potential for your business. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll do my best to try and answer them as quickly as I can. Remember, success in the e-commerce world is really, truly within your reach. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.